Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Nissan Versa Note. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass, press the small release tab, and slide the old blade off the hook. Align the new blade, slide until it clicks, and lower the arm gently to avoid snapping. Test both wipers with washer fluid to ensure even contact and clear vision before driving. Let's begin now. Start by lifting the wiper arm carefully and securing it so the blade clears the windshield. Press the small release tab on the blade connector and slide the worn blade off the hook with steady pressure. Inspect the arm for bends or corrosion and clean grime from the pivot. Keep the arm supported to avoid it snapping back and touching the glass. Handle the used blade carefully to avoid cuts from exposed metal. Hey, if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you change wipers or run errands, and it fits cup holders perfectly for road trips. I use it during projects to keep hands dry and focus sharp. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. First, confirm the new blade adapter matches your arm type and remove any plastic protectors. Position the blade on the arm, push it into the hook, and wait for the audible click that signals a secure lock. Gently lower the arm to avoid slamming it onto the glass, and run the wipers with washer fluid to verify smooth, full contact across the windshield. Adjust or reseat if streaks or gaps appear during the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.